Hello everyone, welcome back to our Node-RED tutorial series. Today, we are exploring how to find differences between arrays using Node-RED, and we'll also delve into 3 key features of the differences node. So starting with the Inject node. Let's start with the Inject node. This node triggers our flow with a date payload. The Change node. The Change node sets up to arrays. The left array contains mango, apple, banana, tomato, onion. The right array contains onion, tomato, chili, grapes. Now let's see the differences node, find differences. Now, the core of our demonstration is the differences node. This node computes the differences between these arrays using different features. Explanation of differences node. The differences node has several features. Complement sets the output to what's in the left input but not in the right. Intersection sets the output to what's in the left input that's also in the right. Union sets the output to what's in the left input plus what's in the right. When to use each feature in this application. Complement, useful when you want to find elements unique to the left array, excluding any overlap with the right array. For example, identifying products not in stock or customers not on a mailing list. Intersection, helpful for finding common elements between two datasets. It can be used in scenarios like identifying shared interests among users or common features between different versions of a product. Union, used when you need a comprehensive list of elements from both arrays without duplication. This can be handy for combining data from multiple sources or creating a master list of items across different categories. Debug node. To visualize the output, we'll use a debug node. This node will show us the result of our differences calculation based on the selected feature. Deployment and observation. Deploying the flow. As the Inject node triggers, the Change node sets our arrays, and the differences node computes the result based on the selected feature. In the debug panel, we'll observe the differences between the arrays displayed. Use case of this application, during real-time operations, as each warehouse sends updates and the central system receives them, the differences node continuously processes the data at the end of the flow. Benefit: this real-time synchronization ensures that inventory levels are accurate across all locations, minimizes stockouts, optimizes supply chain management, and supports responsive decision-making based on up-to-date information. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to check this Node-RED flow in the description. If you want to learn how to master in handling the error in Node-RED, then check the video showing in the right side. See you in that video.